Today is a new day. A good day to sand drywall. Monday morning. So I'm going to show you just a quick process of how I sand drywall. Here's a little sneak peek. Third coat, all the flats are skimmed out. And both sides of the tape, left and right, have been covered with mud. We're going to feather these edges and go down the center of the seams with a sand pole. We're gonna hit all the screws. We're gonna feather out our edges in the corners, the inside corners. And then we're gonna fine tune these points with a sponge. You can see they have some, what I like to call worms. Anyhow, let's get this ready for the painter. First I feather the edge, the top and the bottom. Smooth. Right down the middle. Done. The side. Screws. And last but not least, a sponge to sand this corner. One side, the other side. And we will do that process throughout this whole room. That's all. Goodbye for today.